And we're off like a thundering herd of turtles. Where are we going, Kelly?
We are going to Foodstock.
Foodstock, which is the Roach Coach convention?
Pretty much. I got my stretchy pants on.
And there's gonna be
60 food trucks. It's a food truck festival.
And there's gonna be a place where we can play.
There's gonna be 60 food trucks in a place we could play, in case you couldn't hear her, because I know she's way back in the back, because she had to sit back there. There's Azzy. Say hi, Azzy. All right, let's go to the food festival, food truck festival. We came, we conquered, we food trucked.
I got a fidget.
Really got a fidget toy, Azzy got a princess toy.
And I got the Josie burrito.
And I got a Area 54 burrito. It was pretty good. And now we're gonna go get some water because we're all really thirsty and we don't want to pay $4 for a bottle of water. Whoop, whoop. Well, it's time for the trick of the day. We went to the food truck thing and then we ended up at the Wilson's house, hanging out all day, and now we're gonna do the trick of the day. Josh, do you want to shuffle the cards at all? No, he doesn't want to shuffle the cards. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna find a prediction card. I'm gonna try to read Josh's mind here. Got it. We'll set it right there. Prediction card. All right, we also need the 4 aces for this trick. Wow.
Sorry.
It's okay. All right, 4 aces. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 aces. We'll set these on top for now. Okay, Josh, you get to name any card in the pack you like. I have a prediction. 4 aces. Queen of Hearts. Queen of Hearts. Queen of Hearts. Ooh. Queen of Hearts is obviously right here, so it can't be right there, right? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Check it out. We'll use the 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. Out of these aces, do you want to use the red ones or the black ones? Red. Put 1 red there, 1 red there. Now, pick up the prediction here. Ooh, this is exciting. What was the card you named? The Queen of Hearts. Your trick of the day. Boom. Anyone want to join in?
Yeah.
Boom!
Here we go.
Hey, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like videos just like this, please do us both a favor and click the subscribe button. Below that, you'll find the latest FitzMagic Show, and below that, you'll find a video recommended just for you. Thank you for watching, and click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button.